Here we have our board and batten Miratec shutters. These are good looking, incredibly easy to install, and very affordable. They're made from Miratec trim, which is an extremely reliable exterior trim with a 50-year warranty. They are a 3-ply 1x6 with a 1x4 batten across the front. They are all wood grain out, and this really helps to hide the fasteners and any imperfections when installing. They are 16.5 inches wide and come in two sizes, 5 foot long and 6 foot long. They are pre-primed, but do need to be painted once installed. They can be painted any color, and it's just recommended to use a high quality exterior paint. We pre-assemble these using galvanized staples and nails, and they're ready to install immediately. Installation should occur with corrosive resistant fasteners every 24 inches on center. The best part of these shutters is that they can pair with any siding. You can use them with vinyl, wood, fiber cement, or brick siding. So that's our Miratec board and batten shutters. They're a clean, classic look, great for any home.